Welcome to the step 7 of the solar system activity. Now that we have already added the planets Mercury and Venus, and we have added the planet Earth, our planet, and we have added our moon. So the next planet in our solar system is called Mars. Mars is one of the few planets on our system in which we have our space agencies, NASA and SpaceX and other agencies. They have sent drones and Mars rovers and different robots to explore the planet more, to know more about the planet, right? And Mars has two moons. Earth only has one moon, but Mars has two moons, and they are called Phobos and Deimos. Okay, so you'll see Mars is called the red planet, and it has two moons named Phobos and Deimos. Okay, so we are going to start by first of all adding Mars. So we know that Earth is at a distance of 15 right now, and Mars will be slightly farther away. So Mars's distance from the Sun is going to be larger than 15 that we are going to place. So we are going to use this add Mars block. See, add Mars, and place it here. Now it says add Mars at a distance of 21 units from the Sun. So you can change this number again, but just ensure that it's larger than the number 15. Not only larger than 15, but Mars is also far away from our moon, and the moon we know we have placed at a distance of 2 units from the Earth. So technically the moon is at a distance of 17 from the Sun, right? So we have to ensure that the Mars planet has been placed at a number that is even greater than the number 17. So I'm just having this number 21 right now. Okay, so once we have added the planet Mars, we are going to make Mars move around Sun. So we are going to use this move Mars around Sun in 15 seconds to make the Mars object move around the Sun. Okay, so now that we have added Mars and we have added the block to make the Mars move around Sun, we are going to add the moons for Mars. So as I said, Mars has two moons called Phobos and Deimos. So the closest one is the Phobos, and we are going to place this block called add Phobos at a distance of 1 unit from Mars. Okay, and then we are going to make Phobos move around Mars in 3 seconds. Phobos and Deimos. Okay, so add Phobos at a distance of 1 unit from Mars and move Phobos around Mars in 3 seconds. Once you have done that, then let's add Deimos. So add Deimos at a distance of 3 units from Mars, and then bring this move Phobos around Mars and change Phobos to Deimos. You can see as you are adding more and more planets, the drop downs are starting to contain all the names of the planets, right? So we are going to say that Phobos will move around Mars in 3 seconds and Deimos will move around Mars in 5 seconds. Okay. Now we can also add the mouse interactions on Phobos, Deimos, Mars, just like we added mouse interactions for Mercury and Venus. So we can say when mouse hovers over Mars, when your mouse is over the planet Mars, then we can say that let the Mars planet say, hello, I am Mars. Okay. This is, I think, enough for this step. And once you have done this, you can click on the green play button and you will see the system run. So now you see, as you move your mouse over Mars, you can see the name appear, and you can see its two moons already moving around the planet Mars, right? And we have all the other planets moving around as well. So let me move closer to the planet Mars, and you can see it says, hello, I'm Mars, and we have the moons moving around the planet Mars. Okay, so now I can click on this next step to move to our final step.